Google Drive. I'm going to go to find my Google Drawing. And the tool that you really want to play with here is this line tool. And you want to click on it and go down to Scribble. Then you can change the size of the line. Let's see here, where did it go? As you are squiggling, here these line options will pop up, and you can also change the color here. You can make a background. I like dragging a shape, a square down, and doing this as the background, and then you can fill that with whatever color you want. I can change it and make it go order. I can send it to the back, and then my line will come back up here. If I want a border around it, this line here will add a border around my square. I can change the thickness here. I can change the border style here. Whatever color you want to do, you can test it. There's even custom, and it brings up this really cool slider here so you can see the values, lighter or darker. And then back to the squiggle tool, and you just keep drawing, and it creates different lines. You can change the colors on those, make the thickness a little bit different. You can even move them around with this arrow key here. You can move them, you can transform them or rotate them. The transform is like drag, click, and squeeze, shrink, skew, make them different like that. Let's see, you could add text down here. Oops. If you wanted to add text, you click on the text box and you drag and draw on Google Drawing. Have some fun, kids. Oops. Alright, so you guys get the idea. Play with it. Everything's saved in here. And then up here at the top, you want to title it, okay? Squiggle, whatever, something to stand out. And maybe the date, 4/29-2020. And now this, you can save it in a specific place. You can download it. It has a JPEG picture and send it to me. If you want to publish it to the web, remember everyone can see that. So just a heads up, only share things that you think you should be sharing. And let's see, some other fun shapes in here. Oh, yes, this upload a picture. You can include photos from your drive, or you can search the web, or include one from the computer. I'll just show you some options with that. I have some kids' pictures in here. Let's see, wait, you guys are in Fensky. Where is that at? Here we go. We'll borrow this one here. Alright, it's going to plop it in and make it huge. You can make it smaller by dragging the cursor. The corner will stay the same size. If you grab it on this side, it'll make it skinny. If you grab it up here, it'll make it fat. Okay, so now you can scale it down and plop it off to the side. Alright, have some fun, kiddos. I'm super impressed to see what you create with this tool.